Okay, so we're going to get right into the project from last weekend, starting with some cleanup, of course. I left things a mess over the weekend, and we also need to get set up for tile for this little entryway where the dog is there. You can see setting up the tile, and that little red strip on the floor to the right where I'm cleaning. I never got those strips of flooring put in, so I finally got another box of flooring. We're going to pop those last two pieces in and also be done with flooring. And we can take those to the upstairs apartment. Here we are getting ready to move things upstairs because a lot of this stuff doesn't need to be in that apartment anymore. Nice to get rid of it and open things up a bit. As you can tell, this is our next project, and this is, well, you'll get a full tour here coming up. Making those microfiber cloths. What do you think, Jake? Come on, let's go inside here. Apartment number 4. This apartment is pretty rough. You staying out? All right. It's a little scary in here. A bunch of holes punched in the wall. Over here, I think we got holes punched in the wall and then a patch repair and then more holes punched in the wall on top of that. So I don't know what happened there. He tried to fix it and then he just punched a hole in the wall again. Must have got upset again. Same thing happened with this stove, I guess. Punched the front of it in, punched the glass top in, ripped the cabinet doors off. I don't know where those ones are. These ones are all there still, but there's definitely some, I don't know, just rough. They're just a little rough. We're gonna have to do some work on this apartment. And this was green countertop, just like the downstairs apartments with oak cabinets. So it's a surprise to see that they are white and wrapped in vinyl of some sort. Gross. Anywho, this is the, this apartment actually has really nice light from Main Street. And it's a decent little apartment. This is a little side room. I don't know if it's technically a bedroom. There's no closet in here. I think it used to have like hooks on the wall that had shelving and stuff. You guys know what those are. This bathroom is rough. Big ring around the tub, and I think one of them used to dye their hair and take baths in the tub. So I think the color of this month was pink. So I hope that comes out. We'll see what happens there. More holes punched in the wall, more repairs done by the tenant. And just, these carpets and these floors are like, oh my gosh, like this was what they were living in. So happy to have the apartment back. Happy to be able to get in here and do some work. I do think this is a nice apartment. It's one of my favorites in this building. It's very simple, very efficient, and if you were just one person, it's just perfect. It's all you need. For now, we're gonna use it like a little paint spray booth. So we are gonna start using this painter right here, this little spray rig, and we're gonna paint up these doors here, and then we're also going to paint these doors here. They're just bifold doors for the downstairs apartment. Hopefully we get everything done and then we can come up here and start working on this project. But we got a little spray booth for now, and stay tuned for this apartment because this one's going to be fun to see from the start to the finish. All right, here we go. So unpackaging these new doors and getting this place set up like a paint booth went pretty quick, and it's nice because these carpets are all going to get ripped out. We don't really have to worry about overspray or anything like that. I know this gun was giving me a bit of trouble, but the doors definitely come out better without brush strokes or roller marks. So that's going to dry. That was first coat on one side. So I'm taking a break there and going to install some smoke alarms in the downstairs apartment again. I know I keep jumping between the old apartments and the new apartments, but just killing some time here, putting some lighting in and some smoke alarms. Also, this is getting a little touch up just to... I changed it to like a more of a white color on the baseboard. And then, of course, all the ceiling lights have to be changed. They were all trashed. Everything in this apartment got just kind of rough and sticky and grimy, and it's time for a fresh facelift. The lights in this bedroom are both like wall sconces, but for some reason they have exterior lights on them, and all these lights I got a really good deal on at the clearance rack at Home Depot. So a little bit more light and a little prettier. Oh, got one of the wrong colored bulbs in there. And then this one, we built this closet because this bedroom didn't really have a closet. We built a small closet. And there's a chimney bump out to the right there, so it just kind of fit well. This is a closet light we're installing, and it has a motion sensor on it, so it'll come on with the room light but then go off after like a few seconds. Now here we are, flipped all the doors back over and painting the other side. Yeah, way faster. Once you're set up with the gun, it just goes so much faster. This is the way to do it. That one door that I'm wiping down was an old door from down there, and it had like a grease on it. So I sprayed it, and the paint just bubbled right up. So I had to clean it, and then we'll respray it tomorrow. Okay, so we're back to cleaning the grout in the kitchen downstairs. This brush on a pole worked awesome. This brush is meant for it. Not like the one that was on the drill. That worked, but this thing works awesome, and it made light work of it being on a pole like that. So stay tuned for the next episode, which covers installing the tile in the doorway at the front of this apartment, and that should be a start to finish look, and then we'll start wrapping this apartment up in the next episode, I hope. Thanks for watching.